In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or install wireless docks on your Windows 10 machine. So whether you are, looking to connect to a different docking station, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the devices tile, and then select where it says add Bluetooth or other device at the top, and then select wireless display or dock. Go ahead and select that. If you're coming across this issue here, make sure your device is connected to your Wi-Fi settings and that Windows does support Miracast. So if you're having any hardware issues, you may need to check into that, as well as going on to the docking station website of whoever manufactured it and seeing if there are any drivers available for Windows 10 that you can install on your system. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.